Hey guys, welcome to another episode of my channel, and today's episode it's going to be about langchain, and in particular about one of its tools. So open your favorite browser and go to langchain.com, and in Tools Toolkit tab you are going to find this section, Search. So today we are going to talk about that. I'm going to show you how to use langchain in order to perform internet searches. And you have multiple packages. You can use Bing, Brave, DuckDuckgo, Exasearch, and so on. And as you can see, some of them are paid and some of them are offering some free services. Like in Exasearch, you are going to get 1,000 free searches per month. So for that purpose, I'm going to use DuckDuckGo search. And in order to use DuckDuckGo search, first we are going to install two Python packages. So I'm going to install pip install duckduckgo search, and this DuckDuckGo search it's obsolete, but it's still in use. So basically you can use them both, but during execution sometimes your Python interpreter is going to complain. So in here we are going to need one more command, --break, and I already have these two installed, so I'm not going to do that. In here we are going to import those packages. So from langchain community utilities import DuckDuckGo search API wrapper as wrap, and from langchain community dot tools import DuckDuckGo search result as res. That's fine, and it's really simple thing to do. So I'm going to create wrapper with wrap, and we are going to provide two optional arguments. First is going to be a region, and in here I'm going to say ENUS, and sources, not sources, source equals news. Now I'm going to create a result, and I'm going to use this DuckDuckGo search result. We are going to provide API wrapper, and it's going to be not string but object wrapper. And now we are going to create response from result invoke, and in here we are going to provide our question, basically search query. So what I'm going to ask about, I'm going to ask about ChatGPT. All right, and I'm going to print out response. Okay, I'm going to run this code right now. Okay, here you are going to see my result. ChatGPT helps you get answers, find inspiration, and so on. All right, now we are going to take different approach. I'm going to use that other package that we installed. So from langchain community tools import ddg search as res, and I'm going to comment this line in here because we are not going to need this one right now. We are not going to need this wrapper too, also not this, also not this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create a result in here with res DuckDuckGo search and run, and I'm going to use command, I'm going to create response with result run, and in here I'm going to provide search query GPT. So in first example we used this duckduckgo search package, and in this second example we are using DDGS. All right, I'm going to copy this line. I don't believe that we need it. Let me check it. Okay, we need to print this. All right. ChatGPT helps you get answers, find inspiration, and be more productive, and so on. So guys, that's all for this episode. I hope that you learned something new and interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya!